What if I told you the difference between being rich and being poor has nothing to do with how much money you make? Two people can earn the same salary. One becomes wealthy, the other stays broke forever. So what's the difference? It's not luck, it's not talent, it's what they do differently every single day. And here's the scary part. Most poor people don't even realize they're making the same mistake over and over again. A mistake that silently keeps them stuck. Even worse, they think they're doing the right thing. Let's break it down. Poor people focus on earning money. Rich people focus on building systems. Poor people say, I need to work more hours. Rich people ask, how can I make money without trading my time? Because time is the one thing you can never get back. And if you keep trading time for money, you'll always be stuck. But it gets worse. Poor people spend money to look rich. Cars, clothes, phones. Rich people, they invest first and spend what's left. That's why one stays trapped and the other keeps growing. Every dollar you spend is a worker you just fired. Every dollar you invest is a worker that works for you forever. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real difference isn't money, it's thinking. Rich people think long-term. Poor people think short-term. One sacrifices today to win tomorrow. The other sacrifices tomorrow for today. And that one decision, repeated daily, decides your entire life. So now the question is, which one are you? Because right now, you're already choosing. Every day. And if you don't change it, nothing changes. Please like and subscribe to our channel.